Hello everyone, welcome to Accounting 2402, Principles of Managerial Accounting. This is Dr. Mercado speaking, and I hope all of you are doing well. We are getting ready to begin week number 7, which runs from March the 1st through March the 7th. Now this week is a very important week because we are going to be taking test number 1. So this lecture is not going to be like our usual lectures where I cover content. This is more of an informative lecture reminding students of what needs to be completed and the deadlines for the week. Okay, so let's jump over to the assignments that are going to be completed. Students will be having one mandatory assignment, which is your test number 1, over chapters 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay? Now the test is worth 200 points. That is 20% of your overall grade. Okay? This is a super important exam. So please make sure that you study before you take the test. In addition, students have an opportunity to earn 30 extra points. I am providing students this week with an extra credit assignment that is optional, but that I highly encourage students to complete. With that way they have the potential of earning up to 30 points. You can earn partial points, and this is not going to affect you. It's only going to help you. So these 30 points are going to be added to your total points. So let's say, for example, it's the end of the semester and you've earned 680 points, which is a D. And then you completed your assignment and you earned 25 points. That's going to get you from a D to a C, okay? It's going to bump you up. Those 25 points are going to take you to 705 points, and that means you're going to get a C. So I will be adding the extra credit points to your total raw number of points at the end of the semester, and then that I will calculate your grade like that, okay? So anytime I offer extra credit opportunities, I highly encourage all students to take advantage of them. And like I said, it's not going to hurt you. It's only going to help you. So let me jump over to Blackboard so we can go over what we're going to be doing. Let me see. Where is my Blackboard? Right here. Okay. Let me make sure this is the class. This is Principles of Managerial Accounting. And we are doing week number 7. Okay. So during week number 7, we're going to have our test, and then you have an extra credit assignment that is optional. Okay. Now, when you open the course folder for week number 7, you're going to have your review. I made the review available to you since week number 6. That way you could ask questions, you could inquire, you could start reviewing for your test, okay? Now, the test is super important. The test is only available Monday through Friday, okay? It's not going to be open through Sunday, only Monday through Friday. So make sure that you mark your calendars. I don't want to hear it, Miss, I forgot, or Miss, I didn't know. Okay, I'm telling you, it's on Blackboard, it's on your syllabus. The test will be open Monday, March the 1st at 8 in the morning, and it's going to close on Friday, March the 5th at 11 p.m. at night. Okay, so mark your calendars. Students are going to have 3 hours to complete each test attempt, and students have 2 attempts. And I provide 2 attempts in case something goes wrong with your system, or in case you want to use that second attempt to try to improve your grade. The test is worth 200 points, 20% of your overall grade, which has a very high weight. This is an important assignment. Now, I want to encourage all students that if you take the first or you complete the first attempt and you don't get a 70% or better, I highly encourage that you go back, you review some more, and you give it a try that second time. Okay, I will always keep the highest grade earned. Okay, you have nothing to lose but a little bit of time, and you have the potential of improving your grade. Okay, so this is the review. I will not be answering any content related questions once the exam window opens. So once the exam becomes available, I will not be answering any questions you have about solving any of the problems. Okay. Now, this is a test. Students are expected and required to complete this test on their own. This is not an assignment. This is not a group assignment. This is not something that you're going to get together in a group and try to solve. No. This is on an individual basis, okay? If I find out the students are either completing each other's assignments, helping each other out, you will be reported and you might be expelled. So it's very important that you do and complete the test on your own, okay? In addition, this week I am giving an extra credit assignment that is worth 30 points. Now, that extra credit assignment consists of 2 problems. The problems are focused on Chapter 17 and Chapter 20. So you have 2 problems and you have the potential of earning up to 30 points. partial points can be earned. And like I stated before, this is not going to hurt you. It can only help you. So, I just, want to encourage everybody to complete it, even if you don't need the points right now. Maybe you need them later. I'm not going to be offering a lot of extra credit opportunities. This is one of them, so please take advantage. Okay. Now, what is going to be on the test, Dr. Mercado? Well, I gave you a review last week. I don't like to surprise students. I want students to be prepared. Okay. So, in order to be prepared, you must have read each chapter. Make sure that you have read the content. That way you know what information is included in each chapter. Okay. Listen to those lectures that are recorded. Many of these problems have been covered in those lectures. Okay. And review your homework in Cengage. If you completed your homework and your quizzes on Cengage, you're going to have access to the solutions the week after. So the assignments close on Sunday. By Monday morning, you'll have the answers to last week's assignments. Please go back and review the solutions to your homework, identify these problems, and take good notes so you can be able to complete them. Okay? So the problems that you're going to be seeing on your test include problem 15.5, which deals with the statement of cost of goods manufactured and the income statement for a manufacturing company. Problem 16.2 deals with entries and schedules for unfinished jobs and completed jobs. Exercise 17.16 deals with the cost of production report. Problem 18.5 deals with allocating selling and admin expenses using the activity-based costing. Exercise 19.7 deals with support department cost allocation using the direct method. And then the last problem is problem 22A, which deals with break-even sales under present and proposed conditions. Each of these problems is worth 25 points. So 25 points times 6 workout problems, that's going to give you 150 points. Now, there's also going to be 2 problems. There's going to be a problem dealing with classifying costs as a product or period cost and indicating whether each product cost is a direct materials cost, a direct labor cost, or a factory overhead cost. You have to indicate whether each period cost is a selling expense or an admin expense. Okay. Now for this problem, please go back and review chapter 15. Okay. This is going to be worth 25 points. Next, we're going to have a problem dealing with classifying costs as either fixed, variable, or mixed. For this, please review to chapter 20 for review. 25 points as well. Okay, so we're going to have 150 points coming from the workout problems. 50 points deals with classifying cost for a total of 200 points. Okay, so this is what you should expect to see on your test. All of these problems have been covered in your homework. So if you completed your homework, you can go back and review these specific problems from your homework. Okay. And this is what's going to be on your test. Okay. Remember, Monday through Friday. So the test is going to be due on Friday, March the 5th at 11 p.m. And then you have the extra credit assignment, which is optional. That's going to be open till Sunday at 11 p.m. Okay. And you've got the links here to both the test and the extra credit assignment. Okay. So that is what's going to happen this week. Please take advantage. Take good notes. I don't want you looking through your all of the notes for the class or try to learning how to solve a problem when the test is actually going on. Before you sit down to take the test, look at each of these problems, take good notes, know where each of these numbers is coming from. That way when you take the test, you are prepared and you are ready to get 100 on it, okay? So I want to wish you all good luck. I'm positive that you'll do great. All of you, well, most of you have been doing really great on your homework and quizzes. So I'm confident that you're going to be doing a wonderful job. Believe in yourself, take good notes, organize your time. And remember, you do have 2 tries. If you don't do so well in your first attempt, please utilize the second attempt provided to try to improve your grade. Okay? So that is basically it for my week number 7 lecture. If you have any questions, need any clarification, just let me know. Remember, I will not be answering or clarifying any content related questions while the exam is available. But if you just have a general question, I'm available. Just make sure to send me a Blackboard message, a Pronto message, a text message, whatever works for you. Okay? And I will try to respond as soon as possible. Okay, so that is basically it. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and until next time, thank you.